Good morning. Welcome to Henry's Homestead. Today we have a Marlin Model 90 over and under a 20 gauge. Only takes a 20.
2 3/4 inch?
2 3/4 inch.
20 gauge, right?
20 gauge over and under a shotgun.
No 3-inch.
No 3-inch.
Too old for that.
Yeah, they were also made by Sears and Roebuck.
They were made for Sears and Roebuck, sold through Sears and Roebuck.
Yeah.
But this one's Marlin, right? Model 90.
Yep.
When were they produced?
Between 1937 to 1958. This one was made in 1944.
49.
49. Oh.
You looked up serial number?
Mhm.
Okay, made in 49. Close it up. Let me see how it fits you. Let me see. Point it out there at that cow. Fit pretty good?
Yeah, kind of.
Still a little long for an adult size gun, right?
Yeah.
It's not a youth, right?
Right.
So what's it choked?
Modified and full.
Modified and full choke?
Mhm.
All right. Well, let's see if we can hit a clay target with it, right?
Okay, yeah. We are actually not shooting over the tank dam because it's early in the morning and the sun's shining brightly. So that's why.
Okay. All right, ready.
Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Pull. Pull.
Nice. I'm gonna zoom in a little more this time, okay?
Okay. Pull. Pull.
Wow. Popping them good, huh?
Uh-huh.
Feeling pretty good?
Yeah. Ready? Pull.
Hold on, Daddy wasn't ready. I'm getting behind this side this time. Ready?
Pull. Pull.
Oh, there was a miss, right? Trying to pop it pretty quick, but it shoot pretty good, isn't it?
Pull. Pull.
Accidental. That's called an accidental discharge. Stiff. Hey, what's your dog's name?
Rusty.
Let me see. That Rusty? He likes to watch you shoot trap. Good job. There's it. He likes to watch the trap. All right, let's shoot another round.
Okay.
You got a pretty morning to be shooting some trap.
Yeah. Ready?
Ready?
Pull.
Nice. Nice. There you go. You shooting those Italian shells again?
Yep.
They still smell like pizza?
No.
No? Alright. Have I wore that one out already?
There's a U.S. shell in there.
Uh-oh, Remington in there. Alright. Alright, ready? Ready.
Pull. Pull.
Oh, that Remington missed, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. Alright, 2 more.
I guess it doesn't like being in the shotgun. I guess Remingtons like to be in mine.
Mm-hmm.
Smoke's coming out of the barrel.
Alright, let's end it on 2.
Okay.
Let me go up a zoom on this one. Alright.
Ready?
Ready.
Pull. Pull.
Not quite, huh? All the way over. It gets over that hump. One more. Okay, you want to try to end it on 2 hits, right?
Yep.
All right. Can't end it on a miss, right?
No.
Get
Okay.
All righty.
Pull. Pull.
Nice. Okay. Let's see.
I'll just go.
What's your dog's name?
Rusty.
Rusty. Okay. All right, let's come. Oh, you're gonna go right there. That's good right there. All right, well, let's see what you think about the Marlin Model 90 over and under shotgun, made from 1939 to 58.
Mm-hmm.
And your gun, we looked it up, and your gun was made in 1949. And they sold them through Sears and Roebuck too, right?
Yep.
It was kind of a budget gun, not real expensive, but it's well made.
Well made.
Well made. So, what do you think about it?
It has a stiff. It's a stiff right here to open. It doesn't have any engravings.
Kind of plain?
Yeah. It's nothing to really brag about, but yeah, you can't really brag about it much.
No screw-in chokes back then, right?
No.
But really, it made nice. It got the stippling on top of the barrel, right?
Yeah.
No vent rib, but no engraving.
No. Neither does this side.
Think it fits you all right?
I wouldn't say the best, but I would say a little all right.
Not your favorite?
No, but all right.
All right, okay. All right, well, what do you say to all your people watching?
Thanks for watching, and remember, please like and subscribe.
Need dog food and ammo.
Yeah, goodbye.